Projects and workplaces are becoming more tech-driven and fast-paced. Data is becoming increasingly daunting to crunch. Brands now desire crystal balls for incisive analysis to maximize on its good fortune. So you got a project, but have a tough time forecasting the data. Strapped on time, but needs an eye on your data. Take a break and let WordWave's analysts help. We handle inferential analysis, correlation, regression, whether on panel, time series, or cross-section data, non-parametric analysis, Kruskal-Wallis test, Mann-Whitney test, Friedman test, chi-square, kappa measure of agreement, Wilcoxon signed rank test, group comparison, t-tests, independent and paired samples, one-way ANOVA, two-way between groups, MANOVA, ANOVA, ANCOVA, preliminary analysis, descriptive, reliability check, why us, Eviews, SPSS, Stata, and Excel Savvy, experienced personnel. Order now